Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ani here from the learning class. Today's video is on how to collaborate in Microsoft Office. This is a cool little feature that Microsoft offers, which I think a lot of people are not aware of it. So let's just have a look at it. But before we do, guys, we are a brand new channel, so appreciate your like, subscribe. If you find value in it, please consider subscribing and liking us. It just helps us out and it's free. Okay, so without further ado, let's start it. So I'm just going to open my browser. And the first thing obviously is to log into your Microsoft account. Now, if you don't have a Microsoft account, you can pause the video now and create one. Okay, once you have done that, we're just going to type in office.com. Okay, and just click that. And then once you click office.com, you're going to see something like this. So just click on sign in. Now I've made another video about how to get Office for free. I'll leave the description. I'll leave the link in the description. So feel free to check it out. Okay, so let's quickly log into our Office. Okay, so once we have logged in, we just gonna click the plus sign. We're gonna create a new document. It's asking for verification, probably password again, so that's fine. Enter the password, log in. Okay, so now I am in this document. I can name this document, let's say Ani, and hello. Okay, now I want to share this document and be able to edit this document in real time, right, with my team members. So the first thing you can do is just click on share. Again, now before I share it, I just want to show you I've got another account which I've opened, my demo 2022 at Outlook, right, this one. So I'm just going to share this document with this one, okay, with this account. So just click on share and my demo, what was it? My demo 2022 at Outlook. Okay. And then I just click on send. So now I have sent a link to the other account, which could be, in your case, would be a team member, right? So the team member just basically goes to his account, refreshes it, and he should get an email. Okay, it's gone to the junk, but I think it's because it's a brand new account. So you click open. So your team member now has to open the document. And now he has access to this document, right? Also make sure you click on, or you tell the other person or your team member to click on edit document. Okay, so now both these documents should be linked. Okay, so now you see, if I just make this a little bit small, drag it here, I go to my, I drag, make this also a little bit short. Okay, so now you can see this is my account, this one is my account, this is your team member's account, right, the other account. Now if I type something, hello everyone, you can see in real time it is getting typed over here. How amazing is that? So this is great little feature that Microsoft has, where you can share documents, talk in real time, type in real time, and this is applicable to basically Excel, PowerPoint, all of the Office stuff. So yeah, I think this is really cool little feature that Microsoft has introduced. Another thing is you can also kind of give feedback on the document. So just click on review here, and you can start a conversation. You can click on comments and say sample doc and do send. And now your team member, if he opens his account and goes to review, goes to comments, you can see here the comment has come through, right? So this is also great. You don't always have to type everything here. You can also give some comments on this document, which will be received to the other person in real time in the comment section. So great little tool and feature, which I think a lot of people are not aware. So give it a go and let us know, how you guys were able to manage it. Did it work for you? And that's the end for today. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like, just really appreciate it if you found any value in this video. Okay, till then, take care and see you in the next video. Bye.